Hey everybody. I know it may not be fun, but there are definitely times in our lives when we need to take an in-depth look at our insurance. I know. It's probably not the most fun thing in the world, and you probably don't want to do it on a nice day, or a busy day, or pretty much any day. But if you want to feel good about knowing that you have the coverage you need to be okay if something bad happens, and that you're doing it at a good rate and a good savings for you, here are 8 times when you really need to look at your insurance. Number 1 on the list, teen drivers.
It is his love, it is his passion, it is his fault he didn't lock the garage.
Come on, run a little!
Kids get into more and worse wrecks than any other age group, which is why it's so important to make sure that you have the right coverage in place. It's also why they're so expensive to insure. Now here's the tricky part about insurance companies. They all like a little bit different kinds of risks or families, if you will. So while you might be getting a great rate with your carrier right now, when you add that youthful operator, that great rate may no longer be competitive with the other insurance companies out there. It's a perfect time to look at your insurance and make sure that you're getting the best value and the right coverages. Oh, and if your teen driver is anything like I was as a kid, please make sure that they have enough coverage. They might need it. Number 2, adding to the family.
No, baby is having my baby. My baby is having his baby.
Congrats on your new kiddo and the massive amount of responsibility that comes along with it. Along with Googling best diaper reviews, now is the perfect time to call your agent and also review your life insurance. We just want to make sure that your family is okay if the absolute unthinkable happens. And you can relax, life insurance does tend to be surprisingly affordable. Number 3.
Marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today.
Combining households creates all kinds of fun insurance changes and needs. So get with your independent agent, sit down, and make sure that your insurance is lined up as you combine your households. In the state of Massachusetts, we also have to make sure that the auto policies are set up in such a way that you don't have problems with your car registration. It's a perfect time to also make sure you're getting all the right discounts and that your life insurance is what it needs to be. Number 4, divorce. So the marriage thing didn't work out, now you're separating households. Just like everything else with a divorce, the insurance can get really complex and tricky. It's critical that you work closely with your independent agent to make sure there aren't any unintended gaps in coverages and that you're not paying more than you really need to be. Additionally, if you have kids involved and they're driving, they've got cars and titles and all kinds of good stuff going on, it can get to be a little bit of a mess. Your independent agent, an agent like me, we're really good at helping you make sure that everything is set up like it needs to be. So work with us. Don't try to go at it alone. We're here to help. All right, number 5.
You like these doors?
I love them.
Sorry, we're taking all the doors with us.
This material sucks, but I like his delivery.
I don't care, Arlo. I want this house.
If you have a new house or apartment, or you're getting a new house or apartment, it's probably time for a new insurance policy. Plus, kind of a pro tip for you, did you know that insurance companies set their rates based off of where you live? So your current insurance company may no longer be the best value for your new location. It's time to look at your insurance. Number 6, you've never had a thorough insurance review with an independent agent.
It's hardly a scientific observation, Commander.
Captain, the beginning of wisdom is, I do not know.
You don't know what you don't know, right? Take the time, sit down with an agent, and really get a good solid baseline. Look at everything. Look at your home, look at your auto, look at your life insurance, look at your disability insurance needs. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. And you're going to be okay. You're going to be able to set it out, figure out exactly what you need to do, what you want to do, what you can afford, what you can't afford, and what makes sense for you and your specific, unique needs. Don't shortchange yourself on this one. Take the time, work with your agent, get a good plan in place. Number 7, every 5 years.
What year is it?
Even if nothing else on this list applies to you, our lives change gradually over time, and so does the insurance industry. So it's a good idea every 5 years or so to sit down with your agent, make sure that you don't have any unintentional gaps in coverage created either by the changing industry or just in the gradual changes in your life. It's also a good time to double check and make sure you're getting all the discounts that you deserve as well. Congratulations, you made it to number 8.
Change.
Any other significant change in income, living circumstances, or wealth. Bottom line is, anytime something significant changes in your life, there's a good chance that it has an effect on your insurance needs. So please just pick up your phone, call your insurance agent, say, here's what's going on in my life. We may tell you you're good to go just like you're at, everything's fine. We might have some suggestions on how to cover additional risk or ways to save you money. It just depends on the circumstances. But if you don't make that call, we really can't help you. So that's number 8. Anytime you have a significant change in your life, perfect time to call your agent. All right, there you have it. If any of these 8 things apply to you, I would love to hear from you. If you can't tell, I get pretty excited about helping people with their insurance and making sure they're getting great coverage at a great value. You can find us on the web, www.saffordins.com. That's SAFFORDINS.com. And if you like this video and you want more tips and tricks and information on insurance, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there and turn on the alerts. Feel free to share this with anybody you'd like as well. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and pop them into the comment section down there. We're just here to help. Thanks so much, and I think I'm going to do a little trailer here with some outtakes after the outro. Might want to check it out, or just don't think any less of me. Okay, thanks. Have a great day. Teen drivers. It's too much. Number 3. Number 3. Number 8. 8. I'm good at math. K. That's a car alarm. Pretty sure you're gonna hear that in the recording. Good to go. No problem. Everything is fine just as it is. That's a siren. Siren. You're gonna hear that. Independent agent, big hands. That's the microphone. That's the camera. Do lives? Phone. Let's try that again.